So we have a pure hydrogen line that comes all the way from Sasolburg via Vereniging van der Bijl to our refinery. The line currently has excess capacity and the fuel is at a reasonable price. Based on that, as well as the fact that fuel cells use platinum, the two married very nicely from a platinum market development perspective, to look at the technology and to consider fuel cells as a technology for power purposes.
Our current fleet consists of both conventional diesel-powered units as well as an electrically powered hydrogen fuel cell unit.
A fuel cell powered forklift has advantages over lead-acid battery in the sense that you get a higher productivity out of it at lower operating and maintenance costs. And it's shown that the actual total cost of ownership for fuel cell technology in 2 to 3 shift scenarios is actually a better business deal.
So platinum fuel cells can be used in various applications. You can use it as a stationary application, so that can be part of your grid system. So it can provide baseload power, it can provide backup power, it can give you the same kind of opportunity as a generator. You can use it in light passenger vehicles, you can use it in niche applications like we are in our forklift, you can use it in buses. We're also considering certain pieces of mining equipment like our load haul dumpers for fuel cells.
Our current fleet consists of both conventional diesel-powered units as well as an electrically powered hydrogen fuel cell unit. The differences are quite remarkable. If you look at a drive, for instance, the conventional units comprise of an internal combustion engine that burns diesel fuel to power the unit. Contrast that to the hydrogen fuel cell. It uses hydrogen which passes over a fuel cell stack, which generates electricity, which actually powers the unit.
Platinum is used as a catalyst in your fuel cell. It basically takes your fuel source, which is hydrogen, it splits it into your positive and your negative, which creates electricity. The positive combines with oxygen from the air and produces water. So it's platinum being used in a very clean technology.
In terms of usage and application, your conventional units are actually limited to industrial application because of the noise and air pollution. You're restricted to warehousing, whereas with the hydrogen fuel cell you actually get the best of both worlds in the sense that you have zero emission and very or negligible noise pollution, which makes it quite suitable for both industrial as well as warehousing application.
So what we would like to do is add value to the raw materials that we normally just export. And we do this in 2 ways. By using fuel cell technology, we use platinum in the fuel stack itself. And secondly, in our solid-state hydrogen technology, we use a lot of rare earth metals, including chromium, titanium, manganese, and vanadium. And so what we end up doing is adding more value to our product before we export it, and that's where we want to be.
Impala has played a very strategic role within the industry in driving platinum through platinum fuel cells. Impala is talking to a larger South African strategy where we're trying to promote a local special economic zone or SEZ within the Springs area adjacent to our refinery. We believe that through that strategy we'll be able to attract local advanced manufacturing, allow for local platinum beneficiation, and also create a high skill level of jobs. We do believe that we're playing a very strategic role in the larger South Africa Inc. development.